What's good, YouTube? So this is gonna be an Alpinestars R10 race spoiler install. As you can tell, you see that spoiler in the back right there. This is gonna be what's the replacement of it. As I got this new helmet here. This 3M tape is pretty strong on here, so you just want to be able to pull away, just like that. Same thing on the other side. Pull away. Just like that. There's that old spoiler here. So you guys get a reference. I'll cut you guys to the next clip here when I put on the new one. Adhesive going right there. I'm just really making sure all these clips are good. So you can tell, look at that. I don't know what that liquid is. What the fuck? All of them have some. I don't know if that's from factory or not, but we'll clean up this adhesive here and we'll get that new spoiler on. I cleaned up here with some isopropyl alcohol and literally a napkin. As you can tell here, the residue is now no longer. Nice and clean surface for the new adhesive to go on. And the same way it came off is the same way it goes on. You'll peel off these 3M strips, and of course making sure these clips pop in one at a time, starting with the first two right here, and then working your way out. I'll show you guys right here in this video. So just like I said, everything's all clean and ready to go here. I was just waiting for all the alcohol to dry off, so we're gonna go ahead and pull off this 3M strips here. Jesus Christ, this thing would be a fucking pain in the ass. I'm sorry if I'm talking low right now too, because what time is it? Fucking 3:24 a.m. in the fucking morning, so everyone's sleeping, everyone's quiet, so it's not too loud at the house right now. I'm peeling away the 3M now. I plan on heating it up because that's just always what I've done with 3M. But because the clips are there, I'm kind of a little more wary about it. You know, why not? Fuck it. It's not gonna hurt nothing. Just run a little bit of flame. I don't know if YouTube will allow this lighter being on here, but yeah. I'm a fucking dumbass. And that's how you guys install a race spoiler on an Alpinestars R10. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace. 1K wish out.